Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what we are going to design. We are going to design this 2025 Easter worship giving using our smartphone. Yes, this is part of the smartphone graphic design tutorials that we started early this year, and we are still in a process of designing flyers, logos, birthday cards, just name them, anything at all. We are still in the process of designing and learning how to use our smartphone. If you don't have computers or laptops to be designing, then we ought to start using, or we must start using our smartphone to design until we get a laptops in which whereby we'll be introduced to Photoshop. So please subscribe to this channel, like and share. And if you are here, or this is the first time you are coming across this channel, I have a playlist in my description whereby we have a smartphone graphic design playlist whereby you can start from the scratch. If this is the first time you are seeing this channel, you can start learning from our tutorials, a graphic design step-by-step tutorials using our smartphone. And if you are a Photoshop user too, the playlist is there. Go through them, practice some. All of the videos contain resources file and PSD file or PLP files, whereby every design that we share or we design or that we create, we share the resources file for you to download them and practice and follow along. So without wasting much time, let's start from the scratch. So I have to go to the blank document and then start with my background. Yes, start with my background. So I have the background already. I have to go and import it. Okay, yes, we have to import the background. So this is the background where we started using everything. So I have worked on the background thoroughly. I have worked on it already. Yes, so if you have seen it, I've worked on it already using a different application. And the application that I use is called Pixart. Pixart. Yes, this is what I use to blend everything and get everything Easter worship given plus the images. Yes, so I've worked on it thoroughly. And in the next tutorials, I'll teach you how to use the PixArt to be able to match so many backgrounds together to help to get a nice background like this. Okay, so we combine two applications to have the background. We combine two applications to get this nice design. So the first one is the PixArt, in which I used to merge all the backgrounds, the Easter worship giving, and then the Easter worship giving, and then the images. So I've worked on it separately. Then the next thing is that I have to blend the image and the background together. Okay, I have to blend the image and the background together. So go to your resources file or go to this and then go to import and then go and bring the. Okay, so we are going to use this beautiful lens flare to blend the image and the background together. Yes, to blend the image and the background together. So I'll go to my color colors and then click on it and then change the color to this. Yes, better. So this is awesome. Then I'll copy it. Yes, I have to copy it and then put it here. Then copy it again and put it here. Copy it again and then put it here. And then if possible, copy it again and position it here. You copy it again and then you position it here. Perfect. So you have seen that we have blended that image and the background together. So go to the layer panel and then go and match this all. Better. So you merge it, boom, and then you're having this. You can pull it down a bit. Yes, can pull it down a bit this way and then go to the still layer panel and then lock this one. Perfect. So we are going to import the church logo. Yes, the church logo. So go to your resources file and then go and import the church logo. Okay, all right, so this is my church logo. I may use either this or this. So let me use the Green Life Church. Okay, so this a Green Life Church logo. Then I'll reduce the size a bit this way. Then let me go to center and alignment. I'll position it this way. Perfect. And then let me change the color. Yes, go and change the color to either white. Yes, perfect. White is okay. Then you go to the layer panel and then you lock it. The reason why we lock it is that sometimes if you don't lock it and then you tap on something, it distorts it. Then you'll be tapping on this one and then it will be selecting the other one. So if you lock it, that one, it's fixed at the same position. It doesn't move. Okay, so always lock it because the screen size is also small. So when you lock it and you touch on something, it doesn't interrupt and it doesn't go and then select a different thing. So this is it. Then we are going to introduce the 2025. Yes, so go to this text and then you edit it and then you type your 2025. Okay, so my 2025, it's here nicely. Then you go to okay, then position, click it this way. No, better still, we have it over here. Yes, we have it over here. So go to the resources file and then go and import it. Okay, go and import it. Yes, 5. Yes, I click it this way and then you position it this way. Then you bring what was underneath it. Okay, bring what was underneath it. So let me lock it. Yes, so that it doesn't interrupt. Then go there again. Go and bring the next resources file. Okay, go and bring it. Yes, so my files. Okay, so this is it. I'll click it and then boom. Then let me reduce the size. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Then position it here. Then let me go and bring, sorry. Okay, so this is okay. Go to the layer panel, go and click on the 2025 and then move it up. Okay, you move it to the front. Perfect. Then reduce the size. No, go and unlock it. Lock this one and go and unlock the 2025. Then you select, then you reduce the size. Better. Then you lock it again. Perfect. You lock it again. Then the rest are the name, date, time, venue, and then maybe a contact details that you might need them. Yes, that you might need them on the flyer, because when you are designing any flyer, the flyer must have a title, the images names, and then time, date, and then maybe a social media handles or contact details for reference. Yes, those are the vital informations that you must introduce on a flyer, because whenever you see a flyer out there, you look out for date in which the program is being organized, the place in which the program is being held, and then maybe contact details in case you want to make an inquiries. Yes, so then let's go to this side and type their names. Okay, their names. Then maybe, so I'll type with, then maybe Reverend. I'll not put the full Reverend, so Reverend. Then click on OK this way. Then we are going to change the font. Okay, so change the font to any of your preferred fonts. Sorry, pick any of your preferred fonts. So I'm using this one. Then yeah, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. Let me reduce the size of the font a bit. So I think let's see, 40 is awesome. Then I'll put it here. I will lock it. Perfect. Then copy it. Okay, copy it this way. Then position it underneath it and then go and type the name Reverend, let's say Thomas, 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 let's say Boating. Okay, Thomas Boating. Okay, so you can use any name at all. Okay, you can use any name at all. Let me change it to caps and then go and change the font. Okay, change the font to your preferred font. So I'm using this one as the first font. Okay, so put it here. All right, put it here. Then you can decide to merge all the names. Okay, no, better still, I will not merge it for the meantime. Put this one here. Go and copy the width. Okay, go and copy the width. So you select the width, okay, this way, and then you duplicate it and position it here underneath this one, or position it here, which maybe amount to this person's name. Okay, then you go and then copy the Thomas Boatin as well. Okay, go and copy it and then position it underneath it. And if you wish to change it, go to edit and then type Daniel Abrokwa. Okay, so let me use this one for the meantime. Okay, so for the meantime, then let me work on the name. Okay, let's work on the name. So this one is okay. Now let's see. You close this side a bit. Perfect, 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 perfect. So you lock it again. Okay, you lock it again, and then the last name. I think Thomas Boateng. We need to work on it. Okay, Thomas Boateng, we need to work on it. So you select it this way, and then sorry, you close it this way. Perfect. Then you go to the you go to line spacing. Yes, then you close it a bit this way. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now you have worked on the name well. You have worked on the name well. Then you lock it. Then go and copy the width again, because the images are three and both of them must have their name written below them, or whatever it is, below them, under below them, besides them, or on top of them, just wherever the individual may see the real name. So copy one of the name again, and then you position it underneath it this way. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, perfect this way, and it's awesome, it's awesome, it's awesome. So let's go and lock that one as well. Okay, so you lock that one as well, and you realize that all the layers that we have worked on is locked. Therefore, if I click on anything, if I select on anything, nothing will be selected. In the previous way, if you don't lock it and you click on, assuming that you are clicking on the 2025, you realize that it will be selecting a different thing, which will make the work very, very difficult for you. So go to the text area again, then go and type the date. So assuming that the date is coming up on 20, let's say 27th, 27th April 2025. Okay, 2025. Yes, then let's add the time to it. So maybe time is what, 10 a.m. to, let's say, to 11:30 a.m. Okay, 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Then click on OK. Then let's go and change the font. Yes, always change the font to a font of your choice. Okay, so let's use Poppins Black this way and see. All right, all right, all right. I think we need to change it to caps. So yes, we need to change it to caps. And this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. We need to reduce the size a bit to make sure that at least it covers this area. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So this is okay. Let's see. 40 is okay. So you change the size to size 40. Then go and change the color. Okay, change the color. Change the color to that of this color. Is awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. Okay, so we have added date, time, maybe left it the venue, and then the contact details. So I'll leave the venue for you. If you want to add the venue, maybe you lock this one and then copy it. Okay, copy it. Or you can introduce in a new text and then write the venue. Let's see, let's say Tema Community 25 Estate Junction. Okay, Estate Junction. So maybe this is my location. Okay, if this is my location, then you put it this way and reduce the size. Okay, always make sure you reduce the size to something better that will not conflict with the whole flyer. And I think this size is also big, so we need to reduce it drastically to, let's see, 25 is okay. Better. Then you change the color, and you can use the same yellow. Okay, you can use the same yellow to communicate it well, or you can use white, or you can use black. Okay, so let's see if I use black, if it will be perfect. So you can tell me which one do you prefer. And I think white can be okay, since we are merging these colors. White can be okay. Then you add your social media handles, contact details, and other things. Yes, you add them, just add them. Find some areas, or you can, better still, you realize that there is no space again. There is no space again. So what you need to do is that the names must be reduced. Okay, the names must be reduced. Okay, the names, size of the names must be reduced so that you have enough space for the rest of the details if your details are many. Okay, if your details are many, and this 35 is okay. I have to go and pick the next name, Daniel, and then change it to 35, reduce the size to 35, and I think this is okay. And then the second Daniel to need to be changed to the same 35. Okay, to the same size 35. Okay, yes, change it. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Subscribe to this channel, like and share. Okay, so that at least YouTube can recommend this channel to a lot of people. If you don't subscribe and you don't share, YouTube may not know the good work we are doing, and therefore they may not recommend our channel to a lot of people. Okay, so if you keep sharing, keep commenting, let's have a discussion under it. Okay, let's have a discussion under it so that at least a lot of people too may know, and I know a lot of people are benefiting from this channel in some ways. So please let me know if you are benefiting from this channel. Okay, I know a lot, it's helping a lot of people. If you practice and you learn it, it's a fun. Okay, it's a fun to be a graphic designer. Okay, at least you can start from here. And then whilst you are going on, you are moving further, you be introduced to Photoshop. Okay, with this one you can start designing social media handle birthday flyers, even invitation cards, yes, call card, wedding cards, and other things. You can design them when they are for social media handles, and even you can design them for printable purpose. Yes, you can design it for printable purpose. I've seen a lot of people are saying that if you are using a smartphone and you design, you cannot print it and other things. Guys, you can print it and the sharpness will be great. Okay, you can print it and the sharpness will be great. Okay, so let's go and add the social media handles over there. Okay, we add the first Facebook handle, and then yes, just rearrange them. Okay, then you position this one here. Perfect. Then you go and type the name, go to the text size, go and type the name. Okay, so type the name, for example, let me use our channel name, Aki-Graphix. Okay, so Aki-Graphix, and this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. I have to reduce the size and change the fonts, and then yes, so reduce the size, 20 will be okay. Then let me go and change the font. Okay, let me go and change the font. Let me change the font to Poppins Regular is awesome. Then I'll position it this way. Perfect. So if you have maybe contact details and other things, then you arrange them underneath it like that. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and let me know how this channel is helping you in any other ways. If you have any comment, if you have any question, anything for me at all, you can state it in the description or in the comment section, and then we will have a discussion over there. Or once you are done, you can send it to me on our WhatsApp channel or WhatsApp page, and then let's discuss it. I love you. I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. I'm out. Thank you.